Kevin was like a pretty crafty person. He had a lot of background in construction, and he wanted to get with us to actually kind of play the role of his own project manager, right? Everyone's on a budget, so what we did is we're actually breaking this project up into phases. The vision here, guys, is we're gonna build this brand new 3-story building. It's gonna have some beautiful metal roof, standing seam metal roof. We're gonna have board and bat with the rain screen on it and some cedar finishes. Also, it does help with the permitting process because we get to save this existing foundation. You might ask, how's that possible? Well, what we do is we actually go in, we actually undermine the existing foundation. We set up temporary pier pads to support that, and then we come in, form a brand new footing around the existing structure. Everything gets inspected, poured, and then we're able to support the new load that will happen above. So the way phase projects works is obviously we have to get going in with the structural. So what we want to do is try to get this thing built up where we can break this thing into phases. In this first phase, we're going to take care of all of the framing, the structural items, get this thing all dried in by attaching, new siding to the house, roofing, like I said, just kind of getting it dry. This way the client can kind of take a break. We're able to do that with our clients. We can actually take them to a level where they can afford it and budget it. We can plan it out. We can get overall budgets and break it down and then do like a structural phase, kind of save some money, get going into the finished phase, and we just kind of work it with our client through and through, and you can't do that when working with most general contractors. But let's go take a look at the plans. As I said, what we're doing here is we're taking this existing foundation. We're going to add about 11 feet to the north side of this home, and what's going to happen is we're going to go up three stories with the loft above. The finishes on this is going to be amazing. We have this nice cedar look on the outside along with this board and bat. This front elevation is really awesome, the way the architect broke up some of the hardy panel that we're going to use here. Excited to see that. One of the things I think that is really cool about this project is initially just taking the existing structure and making this beautiful new home to it. So we're able to take this existing foundation line, undermine it, be able to support it, and then supply a brand new footing in order to support the new load above. And the architect did a great job. He gave us tons of elevation, plan notes that would help guide us through doing something this complicated.